Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and check out all the other cars because there's some unique cars out here drifting. There's an R32, I'm assuming it's a GTS. I've never seen one of these drift before, but we're about to. We got some Z's, some Vets. Like I'm saying, it's about to be a really good day. I hope that's swap. That's a weird looking V8. I'm stoked. Shit like this makes me want to fucking throw my DE around.
How it fucking works. Right?
So what was it? Was it from that solenoid?
There's no point in having a cool car if it doesn't work.
That's true, that's true. Damn, this is gonna push me to freaking swing mine. Nah, we need to keep ours daily. We need a daily ours. Hey, they got a 350Z you can rent for $100 for 4 laps?
Yeah.
Hey, I might be out there. I might be out there. Alright, first ride along of the day. Let's do this. Ooh, we got the warm leather seats. Ooh, let's do this.
Alright, welcome to the bank sedan. Cars and enemies, little piece of shit.
That's a clean ass fucking Skyline. That was butter. That was a nice
that's
one.
That's when the tires actually started working. Fuck it, we can turn on the AC while we're waiting.
Again, I think it was rule, what was it, 260 something. Don't remove the AC off the drift car. It's not worth the extra, what is it, like 15 horsepower?
Yeah, it's not, honestly.
It's not worth it. Is that Justin Bieber?
Bro, you mean 2008 Justin?
Yeah, 2008, yeah, there you go. Alright, first ride along was a success. We're gonna snipe out some cars right now because there's some really nice cars. About to get a ride with the famous Gil. What's up?
It smells like acid in it. Someone shoot the pants. I'm not gonna lie, dude. You got no who, but I'm not gonna say anything.
got a Corvette. Corvette's the fucking move.
Big entry?
Good shit on that fucking entry though. Oh shit! I'm just not realizing you got it fixed. Is that a completely new door?
Yeah.
So the homie's cap flew off for his brake fluid and landed somewhere out there, but we found it. Hey, it's gonna cost you a kiss in the cheek for finding that.
Cap is. Cap is?
Oh no, the Cressy got stuck. Looks like they're having a little trouble getting it out, but they'll get it. Damn, so there's one Cressy down. And there's two Cressys down. At least I think it's like, yeah, it's definitely a Cressy. Weight reduction cut. Sick. I think right along number 3.
Shout out to Cindy Chris for letting me the rental.
True that, true that. So far it's been a really good day. No, I don't think anybody's car seems to have any problems so far, so it's always a good day when... Oh wait, I wonder if my burrito got warm. Kinda did actually. Damn, someone actually brought a whole ass spare transmission. So typically they don't allow people to do 360s. Actually, they don't allow people to do 360s. They're actually gonna close the track for a bit, just for like 2 minutes, so Gil can do a 360. This is gonna be really, really sick. Again, they don't allow people to do 360, so people that are local and are watching this, don't attempt a 360. You gotta, I think it's like a one-time thing we're letting them do. I mean, I'm sure they do that multiple times, but they seen Gil drift, and the guy is really cool. They told him, hey, if you want to do 360, go for it. So nobody knows yet, but he let me know ahead of time just so I can get the camera ready. Let's see it. Hell yeah, that's my dog. got the cars loaded up. It is time to go home. If you guys stuck around to the end of the video, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.